Oh my God, it has started. This is what I'm waking up to. I think I should rethink fishing today. I'm gonna drive out there and see if it's gonna be doable, but I don't know, not with it looking like this. It's crazy to think how yesterday it was nice and warm in comparison to today, and the sun was out, hardly no winds, and then overnight it's like somebody just flipped the switch. You've got all this snow that just came down. I'm hoping that that's not going to affect the fish. Who knows? If it does, then it'll be an early day. I'll go home and watch some Sunday football. I'm going to give it a go. Probably fish for 3, maybe 4 hours, if that. See if there's going to be anything biting. Yesterday I didn't have much luck. I just caught those 2 fish, and honestly I just came out to play around. I didn't even think I was going to catch 2 fish off of some serrano chili peppers, so wish me luck. Let's get out there. Gosh, what a shore just to launch. The kayak is just stuffed with ice or snow. At least I'm sheltered from the wind. I got the snow falling. It's been a while since I've seen that. Snow's all right. I know a lot of people get excited, especially down south, when you're not used to snow. Yeah, I gotta admit, it is pretty. It's nice for the first couple of days, but then after that, it's just a complete mess. I could do without it, to be honest. So the GoPro battery just died while I was changing it. I was trolling, and look what I got me. A nice slab. Just trying to change the battery out. Had to stop. Let's get this slab off. Not bad. Hands are numb. Whew. Boy, oh boy, that was cold. Taking refuge right now from the wind, trying to let my hands get warmed up again. My feet are done. I really need to get some good socks. There we go. Finally got him. Little pickerel. Come out of the grass to hit this Roadrunner and snap my line. It's all good, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and let you back. Nice pickerel. Now I've got to retie my line. I'm gonna fish alongside this rock line. Wind is coming this direction, like straight into it, so it's blowing everything and trapping all the bait fish right up against the rocks. So hopefully if there's anything down there, they're gonna see my Roadrunner and come up and just smash it. There's normally a lot of crappie right up alongside this. Here we go, right there, just see? Oh yes. What is it? It's a largemouth, baby. Oh God, it's a nice one. Oh, that's so worth it. Right on top of the mouth. Didn't I tell you, this Roadrunner, money. Beautiful chunk. Gosh, this fish is so healthy. This is why I come out here and I bear the elements. Oh, let's get him in the water. Oh gosh, darn, that's, oh my gosh. Every time I do that, I think it's a huge fish. And apparently I've caught that tree before because I've got it as a waypoint on the Lowrance. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we are. Come on, largemouth. another one. I barely brushed the top of the grass. I felt it, and I was gonna just do the rod tip and jar it loose. This guy did it for me. Nice little guy, healthy chunk. Let's put him back. Tell you what, catch a fish, you forget about the cold. This water is 47 degrees. It's a 3-degree temperature drop from yesterday. And these fish, as soon as they bite, man, do they still fight. I mean, they get to moving down there. I'd be a popsicle. There it is. It's a little guy. Oh, look at this, yellow perch. That's a nice sized perch too. Bigger than the ones that I was catching over at Diamond Lake. This guy's hungry. Nice perch. Really nice. Good size. Let's get him back in the water. Oh yes, I didn't even feel him. I just saw my line going the other way. I hope this is a smallie. Oh gosh. Oh goodness, it's a nice largemouth. Look at that. That's a nice chunk. All of the fish that are coming out today are just freaking healthy chunks. Boy, oh boy, this guy, I tell you what, cannot say enough about it. Look at that. This guy is super freaking healthy. He's gonna be a big fish whenever he grows up. Tell your papa I'd like to play. This is the last stretch of bank that I'm gonna fish. Then I gotta get out of here. Hands are entirely too cold, feet are too cold. And that wind is not showing any signs of letting up. I think for once the weatherman got it right. Oh, got him. Wow. This one's gonna be nice, I bet. Oh yes, a nice largemouth. That was a good bite, right on the top of the mouth. Look at that. Nice largemouth. That's a good 2.5 pounder right there. Let's let this bad boy go. Gosh, I love it. These guys are just thumping it. Little pickerel. Yes. I'm gonna let you out, buddy, as soon as you give me my hook back. That's it, I'm done. Had a great day of fishing despite the horrible conditions. It was snowing earlier, and the first pond that I went to, I couldn't even get there because even though I have 4-wheel drive in the truck, it was just too steep going up the mountain. So had to reverse all the way back down, made it my way over here to the lake. And I really didn't want to fish here because of the way I had only caught 2 fish yesterday. But like I said, despite the conditions, the sun being out, shining down, spooking the fish, just turned off that lockjaw. And I can't even tell you how many fish, I can't even remember. But had a great time. I want to thank you all for watching. I always appreciate it. And until next time, tight lines.